see this one order came in at Monday at 9:01 p.m. This is in the back end of your TikTok shop. What merchants are doing today is, pushing this over to their e-commerce platform and using that as a pseudo order management system to then push to fulfillment, like I was kind of describing. And it can work fine until layers of complexity come in. But let's just take a look. Our customers that are using Pipe17 in conjunction with partners like ShipBob, as well as TikTok Shop and many other channels, Amazon and Miracle, Walmart, whatever it may be, are able to come into their dashboard. They're able to see this order come in. So this is the exact same order. Comes in automatically via API, of course, from TikTok Shop, pushed over into our backend. It's bypassing Shopify, which is actually, I think, by the way, there's costs associated with pushing orders to Shopify and using that as OMS. I think it's like 2 cents an order. Not a big deal, but you're doing 10,000 orders a month, yada, yada. You're starting to bleed a little bit of money that maybe you don't necessarily have to. It's picked up at 9:02 p.m. Now, for this order, there is a purpose-built 70-minute, they added extra 10-minute order hold so that the order is not automatically routed. So we put a little bit of a timer on that. And then at 11:18, it's shipped out, routed over and shipped out to fulfillment. And so you can see about 70 minutes later, the process is fulfilled. So in order to create that hold in the back end of our system, it really only takes a couple clicks. You go over to order automations, TikTok hold order for 70 minutes, and boom, all orders are held. You don't need a human managing that system anymore. Even better than that, the order is getting piped into, this is your NetSuite dashboard. So if a merchant, if you're using NetSuite and you want that order kind of pushed back for financial reconciliation, you'll see the order come in here. You have what's called your GL impact for those operations nerds out there. Everything is being handled automatically. You can see how much money was actually captured at the point of transaction, and therefore how much money is going to actually be transferred to your bank account, let's say at the end of the day. And if you don't know, if you're a smaller seller, a newer seller, you get reconciliations from TikTok Shop monthly, weekly, or daily, depending on how much volume you're doing, right? So for the high volume merchants, every day you're getting, your sales amount of money, deducting all of the costs and taxes and associated fees that TikTok is taking. And you're kind of wondering to yourself, okay, I know I sold about 10 grand worth of product. How much money is actually in my bank account? And if you don't have a system of record like a NetSuite to align all of that information, you might find very quickly that due to some returns or something kind of outside of your control, the money in your bank account doesn't match the money that, the channel is saying. And so by piping all this information together, and in this case, I'd say going around Shopify as your e-commerce platform and creating maybe NetSuite as your central source of truth and Pipe17 as the pipe, you're able to have more accurate information.